you ever been trying to do something online and you just can't work out where the thing is or how to fix it? So you spend hours Googling and you just find this out-of-date information. Well, I found an AI that can actually help you with those tech headaches. I was working on my website recently and I just couldn't work out how to do something. I was literally tearing my hair out. And then I heard about a new AI browser called Comet that I realised could help me. It looks or feels just like Chrome or Firefox. But the clever thing is that little AI assistant that you can pull down the side. And it's so helpful for all those little technicals that we all have. Now, I'm going to show you how it works with WordPress for a start. But bear in mind that it works with most online websites or software. So I'm now using the Comet browser and I've opened up a WordPress site I've just started. Now let's imagine I've completely forgotten how to change a theme. Now usually there's a lot of clicking about, and if all that fails, I start Googling or watching YouTube videos. So instead, I just select the AI assistant, which you can either do from the top right, or go to the top menu where you find Assistant and then Toggle Assistant. A panel will open up to the right, and at the bottom you can type in what you need help with. So I could ask, how can I change the theme? You can see it tells me exactly what to do. But here's the magic bit, which I actually found out by mistake. You can ask it to take you there. So watch this. I'm going to type, do it for me. And it just takes me there. No searching, no clicking through menus. The first time I did this, I was pretty shocked. I was just expecting instructions. Then it asks if I would like it to switch themes for me. It suggests I can choose one of the ones I've already got installed, or it can browse for a new theme for me. So I ask it to change it to 2025. And you can see it does that for me. Let's try it with something even more annoying. Facebook like to move things every other week. And I've got a Facebook group, so let's see if it can help us find a setting. So let's say I want to change the membership questions for people joining my group. I'm going to toggle the assistant on again. And then instead of hunting through the sidebar, I'm just going to ask Comet, can you show me where I changed the membership questions for this group? And it finds it in seconds. Just a quick heads up, Comet is free to download and free to type in and get instructions from it. But the bit where it takes over your browser and does the things for you, you only get a limited amount of that in the free plan. If you want it to do more than that, you do have to upgrade. I can't promise it'll work for everything, but it has saved me from quite a few tech headaches already. If you're already a ChatGPT user, they've got a similar browser called Atlas. It's only for Mac OS at the moment. It's newer, and to be honest, I haven't found it to be quite as reliable as Comet yet. If you found this helpful, I send out a short email every week with AI tips and resources. You'll find a link for that below in the description, and I will see you in the next one.